Now we need to make some bevels on these edges. What are bevels? They're basically like rounding out the side so it isn't super sharp. Click on the object, go up to edit mode, make sure you're on the edge selection option, and you're going to want to click on all of these edges while holding down Shift. Once you have them all held down, put your mouse over here, hit Control B, and it'll get a little dotted line like that. Then you can pull away. Now, with 2 fingers on your mouse pad or scroll your wheel up on your mouse, it'll add some segments. Once you like it, click again to complete. Now we have a nice rounded set of segments. Good job. Make yours look like mine. Now the next part. Let's make some chain links. Go back to object mode. Move our segment out of the way. We're going to add a new mesh here. Add mesh cylinder. And this one's big, so let's put our mouse over here, type S, and make it a little smaller. We can also go up to the little arrow here. You can also type the letter N to open that. Let's make the height really small, 0.05. That looks pretty good. It should look like a nickel. You've made a really flat cylinder. Select it, go to edit mode, Shift D to duplicate, and this time hit Y. That'll constrain it there, and now with this tool you can move it a little bit further away. Move it about 5 squares away. Make yours look like mine.